The Rhode Glazing Milk is a nutrient-rich essence that delivers calming hydration while prepping your skin for that glazed, luminous finish. In this video, we'll go over the benefits of this product and how to use it in your skincare routine. The Rhode Glazing Milk is a lightweight, milky essence designed to be your first layer of hydration after cleansing. It helps soothe, strengthen, and visibly smooth the skin, perfect for anyone looking to reinforce their barrier and prep for glow. The key ingredients are the ceramide trio, which is a skin-identical lipid complex that reinforces the skin barrier, improves moisture retention, and smooths texture. Next, it contains a mineral complex of magnesium, zinc, and copper, which helps to neutralize free radicals and supports the skin's defense system. Vitamin E, which is a classic antioxidant that helps protect against external stresses and soothe the skin. And glycerin, a humectant that draws moisture into the skin, helping to keep it plump and hydrated. Here's how to use the Rhode Glazing Milk in your skincare routine. Begin by cleansing your skin. Shake the glazing milk before use to activate the formula. Apply a generous amount to clean hands. Gently press it into your face, neck, and chest area. Let it fully absorb into the skin and follow with your serums and moisturizer. You can also mix a few drops of glazing milk into your foundation to create a dewy, skin-first makeup base. It smooths texture and delivers that signature glazed finish. The Rhode Glazing Milk is a barrier-boosting essence designed to prep your skin and enhance hydration with every layer. We would love to know if you've tried the essence and your thoughts. Do you think it's worth the hype? If you want to learn more about trending skincare products, check out these videos here next.